Are you looking for the top 5 best corded electric lawnmowers? How much should you actually spend on a corded electric lawnmower? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, LawnMaster 15-inch mower. Let's kick things off with the LawnMaster MEB1114K electric corded lawnmower. Priced at $114.99, what stood out to me was its compact size and lightweight design. If you want a mower that packs a punch without taking up too much space, this one's worth a serious look. This LawnMaster packs a powerful 11-amp motor spinning at 3,300 RPM, giving you a 14-inch cutting width. This kind of power means you can tackle your yard easily, and the environmentally friendly aspect is a big plus. No gas or batteries needed. The customizable cutting height with 5 positions lets you get that perfect trim, whether you prefer a short or long lawn. Plus, with 7.75-inch rear wheels, maneuvering around tight corners is a breeze. With over 1,000 sold just this past month, it's clear people are giving it a shot. Now, some users mentioned that the collection bag could be a bit small at 7 gallons, which means you might need to empty it more frequently. Here's the thing though, if you have a small to medium yard, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still a fantastic choice for quick mowing sessions. This is perfect for you if you have a smaller yard and want something easy to store. Skip this one if you have a large lawn that requires extensive mowing. For the price,
Product number 2, American Lawnmower 120414. Next up is the American Lawnmower Company 120414, which comes in at just $72. What caught my eye here is that it's a push reel mower, making it a great eco-friendly alternative to electric options. If you want a simple, low-maintenance solution for a small lawn, this is worth checking out. This mower features a 14-inch cutting width and 4 blades, which cut grass without bruising it, perfect for keeping your lawn healthy. Weighing only 19 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to navigate. The adjustable blade height from 0.5 to 1.75 inches means you can tackle grass up to 4 inches tall, but keep in mind it does best with shorter grass. With a manual operation, you won't have to worry about gas or batteries, making it super low maintenance and quiet. However, some folks have pointed out that it struggles with thicker grass or lawns that haven't been cut in a while. Now, here's the thing, if you keep your yard regularly trimmed, this won't be an issue, and you'll love how hassle-free it is. This is perfect for you if you have a small yard and want a quiet, eco-friendly mower. Skip this one if you don't want the physical effort of pushing it or have a larger lawn. For the price, it's a...
Product number 3, LawnMaster 19-inch mower. Moving on, we have the LawnMaster electric lawnmower ME1218X. At $134.97, this model boasts a 19-inch cutting width, which really caught my attention. If you want a mower that helps you get the job done faster, you should consider this one. With a powerful 12-amp motor running at 3,600 RPM, this mower offers high efficiency for larger lawns. The 2-in-1 function lets you choose between mulching or side discharge, which is super convenient depending on your needs. Plus, the adjustable height settings ranging from 1.5 to 4 inches allow for versatile cutting options. The mower's lightweight design at 28.3 pounds means you can easily push it around without straining yourself. Sold over 500 times in the last month, it's clearly popular. But here's the catch. While it has a great cutting width, some users mentioned that the build quality could be better. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're careful with your equipment, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you have a medium to large yard looking for efficiency. Skip this one if you prefer a mower with a more rugged build or you have a very small yard. For the price point, it's definitely offering a lot of...
Product number 4, Lithiely Cordless Lawnmower. Next is the Lithiely Cordless Lawnmower, priced at $106.99. Now, I know it's cordless, but it's such a compact option for smaller yards that I had to include it. If you want portability without sacrificing performance, this might be the one for you. This mower has a 13-inch cutting width, and it can tackle up to 1,300 square feet on a full charge. At 3,400 RPM, it provides a solid cut, and the 5 height adjustments from 1 to 2.5 inches mean you can fine-tune your lawn's appearance easily. Weighing only 24 pounds, it's a breeze to maneuver, and the folding handle makes it easy to store, even in tight spaces. Plus, it's designed to be low maintenance with a high-performance motor.
However, some users reported that the battery life can be a bit short, lasting only about 15 minutes. Here's the thing though, if you have a small area to mow, it should be more than enough to get the job done without needing to recharge. This is perfect for you if you need something lightweight and easy to store. Skip this one if you have a large yard, since you might find yourself recharging more often than you'd like. For the price, it's a great option for
Product number 5, Lawnmaster 16-inch mower. Finally, we have the Lawnmaster MEB1216K electric lawnmower, priced at $128. This one really stood out with its performance specs. If you're after a powerful mower that can handle a variety of conditions, this one's a solid choice. With a powerful 12-amp motor delivering 3,500 RPM and a cutting width of 16 inches, it's designed to tackle tough grass without breaking a sweat. The customizable cutting height with 5 positions helps you achieve the perfect cut, whether you like it short or a bit longer. The 8-gallon collection bag means fewer trips to the compost bin, and it's lightweight at under 33 pounds, making it easy to maneuver around your yard. Some users mentioned that the folding design could be a bit tricky to operate, but here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the convenience of storage far outweighs that minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable mower that can handle various grass heights. Skip this one if you prefer a mower that's more straightforward to store. For what you get, it's...
So to recap, we've covered a range of mowers. The compact Lawnmaster 15-inch for small yards, the eco-friendly American Lawnmower Reel Mower, the efficient Lawnmaster 19-inch for larger spaces, the portable Lifelli cordless, and finally, the powerful Lawnmaster 16-inch. Each has its strengths depending on your specific needs, so think about your lawn size and how much effort you want to put in. Happy mowing!